CD changer, stainless steel tips, radar detector. The Auto Gallery is proud to present this refined 1996 Porsche 911 Turbo with 6-speed manual transmission. Finished in arena red exterior and a black leather interior, this 911 Turbo is simply stunning. This Porsche has been very well maintained, recently serviced, and with only 65,851 miles, it is in superb condition. In addition to its luxurious standard factory equipment, this 911 Turbo boasts an extensive list of options that includes a CD changer, stainless steel tips, radar detector, leather interior, keyless entry, alarm system, power windows, and much more. The 911 Turbo is critically acclaimed for its flat-out acceleration, staggering 400 horsepower, and all-wheel drive system. This particular car features the convenience of a 6-disc CD changer, sporty stainless steel tips, and a never-get-caught radar detector, making this a great buy. Take advantage of this opportunity as this beautiful 1996 Porsche 911 Turbo is being offered at an incredible price and will be sold soon. As with all our vehicles, it is Carfax certified, so please don't hesitate to call or visit our showroom with any questions.
Buy with confidence, only at the Auto Gallery, conveniently located at 24050 West Ventura Boulevard in Calabasas, California.